This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mousse cups. First, gather all your ingredients and essential kitchen tools. You'll need things like heavy cream, chocolate, sugar, and small serving cups. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This preparation ensures a seamless and efficient dessert-making experience for everyone. Now, let's create that wonderfully light mousse. Begin by whipping heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. In a separate bowl, gently melt your chocolate, then let it cool slightly. Carefully fold the whipped cream into the cooled chocolate, ensuring you maintain that airy texture. This step is crucial for achieving a truly delightful and fluffy mousse. With your mousse ready, it's time for assembly. Select your favorite small serving cups or glasses. You might want to add a delicious base layer, like crushed cookies or cake crumbs at the bottom. Then, carefully pipe or spoon your mousse into the cups. You can alternate layers with other fillings, like fruit or more crumbs, for an appealing look and varied texture. The final steps are simple but important. Refrigerate your mousse cups for at least 2 hours to allow them to set perfectly. Before serving, add your desired garnishes. Fresh berries, chocolate shavings, or a light dusting of cocoa powder all work wonderfully. Serve them chilled to enjoy the best possible flavor and that irresistible, smooth texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.